Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G82, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box. Here we can find the protective silicone case in clear color. Also have here the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick with all of the specs. Here this is the original Motorola charger brick. So also we can find here some paperwork. This is the quick start guide, the just safety guide, and the the SIM jack tool. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.